exciting news. Cursor AI just dropped a free 1-year pro plan for all students, right? Worldwide. That's about 500 prompts every month for 12 months. And I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it in 3 minutes. Stay with me. So step 1, you have to sign up with your Edu email, right? Or even the Microsoft student mail. You need to head over to cursor.com, click sign up, right? And then when you put your details, ask you for the OTP, you get the OTP and put that. The next step, right, is for you to start the student's verification. So once you're done with your sign up, you're logged into cursor.com, you can open a new tab and go to the URL cursor.com/students. Then you click on verify status and you'll be taken to the share ID portal, right? And that's where you get to step 3. You need to complete the details in that form. You have details like your school name, your country, first and last name, date of birth, emails, and make sure it's the email you use with Cursor, right? That student mail you use to sign up with Cursor. Then you click verify. Now the next step is where you verify with share ID. If it's like a Microsoft powered student mail, it goes to Microsoft. If it's Google, it goes to Google or whichever platform, right? And then you'll be asked to log in there. Once you're able to log in successfully, it redirects you to the share ID where you see the successful, cursor@successful.com. And the step 5 is you go back to Cursor and you're able to add your payment method. Remember, it's totally free. You're just adding these card details, right? But Cursor is not going to be charging you anything. Like, it's just to add the card details. So you add your card details and now you have the pro plan, right? And your account is now upgraded to the pro plan for 1 year. And every month it refreshes, you get 500 prompts limit, right? If this worked for you, hit the like and subscribe, leave a comment, right? Say maybe it works or it did not work, whatever you're facing, and if you have issues, you can always leave a comment. Thank you.